Had no power. This thing look bright, boy. I gotta work that. Battery backup is turning off now. Going off. Well, we got enough power for a while. I always want to take a video of this long time ago.
Do we have power on the barn?
Yeah, we got backup battery. Hey!
We need to get another one.
Yeah. Then we got these smelling at them? I smell something. I don't know what it means. That these smelling at them? These smell anything? I don't know. That's well, I tell you, if we got this since about 9:30. We live in Palm County. We got the worst of it now. I'm sorry for y'all not see the everything. I had no power. I had to made the lightning bolt hit the power line, transformer or somewhere. But we had a good 4th of July without any power for a while. Oh, I got that one there. Holy no! I keep it PG-14 for everyone out here. Holy cow! I got that on video. I think I got that on video. I bet 100% got that on video. I bet I got that. Oh. Hey, we got power! We got power back. Finally. I think we're not safe yet. We're still in this lightning bar. Yeah. Come on, get. She got power. I'm gonna get no power out again. This lightning keep doing this. There you go again. Oh. Oh man, that's scared of me. Everybody got new underwear on? Man. Don't be like me and stay outside in the we got safe place, but it's too dangerous. Man, it scared me. Holy cow, that's coming out of nowhere. Got quiet and now suddenly a big thick lightning came out of nowhere. I think it's that one corner behind us. Just let it go. That's bad behind us, Wilbur, too. Man, I can't feel anything. My body's shaking like New York. I don't think you guys see me. I'm behind the camera seeing what you'll see all this crazy show we got and for 4th of July light show. And severe lightning too. I mean, what's this? Get worse. We're behind. We're not safe still. We got power, but we're not safe where we at now. Until the storm going away. We got more rain coming, and it's still coming this way. But keep on your prayer. I hope we want to be okay for a while through the storm, crazy weather, and 4th of July weekend. Well, hope you have a good weekend. I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Love y'all.